Alright, as I said, I got my first Topps Sterling Baseball 2006. We've all seen this on the tube. Wish me some Mantle luck. And that I don't cut myself. Okay. Let's go with the mystery pack first. What is this? I wanna look. Mystery pack first, okay guys? So for a cut. Feels pretty light. Alright, looks like a cut. I see. You see that? I think it's a cut. Ooh, looks like a baseball. Alright, who is this? Jim Palmer. Sweet. Check that out. Let's see if I can get this straight. Alright, baby. Damn, I'm getting lucky today. Alright, I'll put that aside. And now, who's this? Cal Ripken Jr. Not too bad. I wanted the Mantle, but I'll take Jr. Now, let's hope it is some auto, 1 of 1, or I don't know what they have, but hey, this is really nice box. Oh wow, it's heavy too. Cal Ripken Jr. Alright, open this up. Sweet box. Alright, I'm gonna keep that box. Alright, it's pretty thick. Let's see what we get. Okay, Cal Ripken Jr. 94 out of 250. Cal Ripken Jr. 125 out of 250. Cal Ripken Jr. 80 out of 250. And alright, let's hope for an auto. Whoops, I think I have this backwards. Nah, it's numbered. Can you see that? Number 1 of 10. 600, but I don't think it's going to be an auto. Nope. Oh well. Cal Ripken Career Games. Number 600. Okay. I don't know what this stuff is, but that's it. There you go. Cal Ripken Jr. Number 1 of 10 at least. But this one's nice. Look at that. A cut. Jim Palmer. Check that out. Whoops. Jim Palmer, Cal Ripken, and a bunch of bases. Cool. See you guys next time.